Hi everyone, in today's video, we will be talking about several home remedies for cough and widespread chilly. Trusting on home treatments to remedy widespread chilly and cough is one thing that many Indian households nonetheless imagine. Apart from treating widespread chilly and cough efficiently, these home remedy treatments are additionally free from any side effects. Now we are going to talk about a few of these home remedy treatments that will show you how to deal with widespread chilly and cough. Ginger tea. Ginger tea doesn't only taste good, it helps in treating widespread chilly and cough. The tea helps in drying up a dripping nostril, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Amongst numerous well-being advantages of ginger, it is known to appease widespread chilly and hurries up the restoration course. Combination of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. One other efficient home remedy DIY treatment for widespread chilly and cough is a mix of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. This syrup will efficiently cure chilly and cough. Easy methods to make the syrup: in half a spoon of honey, add a couple of drops of lemon juice and a pinch of cinnamon. You can take this syrup twice a day to remedy widespread chilly and cough. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water regularly because it helps in combating widespread chilly, cough, and sore throat. Warm water reduces irritation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids, thereby removing infection out of the body. Milk and turmeric. Turmeric is a vital ingredient present in nearly all Indian kitchens. Turmeric has a powerful antioxidant that helps in treating several health issues. Turmeric combined in hot milk is one of the most efficient approaches to combat chilly and cough. Consuming a glass of hot turmeric and milk earlier before bedtime will expressly restore your body from chilly and cough. Gargle with salt water. This is an ancient home remedy that has successfully treated cough and chilly. Including turmeric on this salt water can also be helpful. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger, and black pepper to prepare your spiced tea. This spiced tea is very good for your well-being. Furthermore, these three components play an essential role in combating a widespread chilly and cough. Honey, lime juice and hot water. This can be an excellent dose to enhance digestion and also for the circulation system. Adding honey in lukewarm water is one of the best way for controlling widespread chilly and cough. Amla, being a powerful immunomodulator, is capable of fighting several illnesses in the body. Consuming one amla recurrently has many well-being advantages because it ensures the right functioning of the liver and improves blood circulation. Ginger-tulsi combination. Extract the ginger juice and add crushed tulsi leaves to it and add honey. This will give your body speedy relief from cough. Flax seeds for chilly and cough. Flax seeds are one other efficient treatment to remedy widespread chilly and cough. You may boil flax seeds till it thickens. Add a couple of drops of lime juice and honey to it and drink this combination for chilly and cough reduction. Ginger and salt. Slice fresh ginger into smaller pieces, and add salt to it. Chew these ginger pieces to combat chilly, cough, and a sore throat. Sauté garlic. Sauté a couple of garlic cloves in ghee and drink it hot. This generally is a bitter concoction, however has an incredible soothing impression for widespread chilly and cough. Jaggery resolution. Boil water with black pepper and cumin, then add jaggery to it. Drink it hot to get instant relief from chest congestion. Carrot juice. This unusual home remedy DIY treatment is nice to battle widespread chilly and cough. This fascinating drink releases you speedily from widespread chilly and cough. Please try this out and come back and leave your comments. Let us know how any of these remedies worked for you. You can also share your ideas with us. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for stopping by.